Imagine waking up one morning only to discover that 500 kilograms of fish have vanished into thin air. A shocking surprise, isn't it? This isn't just a hypothetical scenario, it's what happened at Chinorumba High School in Dzake, Zimbabwe. The fish, essential to the school's resources, were part of the Presidential Fish Scheme, a part of the Presidential Rural Development Program. One might say they were more than just fish. They were a symbol of progress, a beacon of development, and, most importantly, a crucial resource for the school. Then came the day of the great fish vanishing. The school's fish pond, once bubbling with life, was left empty and silent. The reactions were immediate and intense. Frustration and anger rippled through the community, a wave crashing against the rocky shore of disbelief. The school head, Nixon Benyu, was quick to address the incident. He emphasized the need for stronger security measures to protect these vital assets. His words echoed the sentiment of a community in shock, a community in need of reassurance. Meanwhile, the district school's inspector, Samson Chidzurira, expressed his concern. He highlighted the importance of safeguarding development projects from such acts of sabotage. His words served as a stark reminder that progress is a fragile thing, easily disrupted by those with ill intent. And then came the response from the authorities. The Deputy Minister of Lands, Agriculture, Fisheries, Water and Rural Development, Davis Marapira, spoke out against the crime. He pledged to replace the stolen fish and ensure that justice would be served. This event has been a wake-up call, a stark reminder of the challenges that development efforts in Zimbabwe face. It underlines the need for increased security to protect resources that are essential for community advancement. The theft of the fish isn't just a loss of resources, it's a blow against progress, but it's also a call to action, a call to protect and preserve the gains of development. The theft of the fish at Chinorumba High School in Dzake, Zimbabwe is more than just a bizarre incident. It's a story of community, resilience, and the ongoing fight for progress. And it's a story that, despite its strange premise, carries a message that resonates far beyond the borders of Zimbabwe.